Currency. We require the one thing in our daily lives to buy something we need. The world revolves around currencies. Every country has their own currency, which are of different values. The first known use of currency was way back in 7070 BC in China, where people used coins as a form of currency. Elatus, the king of Lydia, was the first to create an official currency in 600 BC, which was made of electrum. Over time, the use of currency took place almost everywhere, but now it seems like this currency may soon get outdated. And the reason for this is cryptocurrencies. Hence, every one of us should have an idea about cryptocurrencies, which can potentially change the future of currencies. Hi, this is Asta from PaperVideo. In this video, we will explain to you what cryptocurrencies are, how they work, how they are different from actual currencies in the simplest way possible. But before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon. So, what is a cryptocurrency? Cryptos are unique compared to the actual currency. It's a digital form of currency, which means it's not hard money that you can keep in your wallet. Like actual currency, no country issues cryptocurrencies. The actual currency transaction mostly happens through banks, which is not the case with cryptocurrencies. In simple words, cryptocurrencies is digital currency that works without any third-party interference, hence also called a decentralized currency. But how is this possible? To find out the answer, let's see how cryptocurrencies work. Cryptocurrencies basically work in peer-to-peer networks, which is opposite to a centralized way. It means the system works with the help of many computers instead of a centralized server used by banks. The transaction of cryptocurrencies happens using these computers using blockchain technology. Now, what is blockchain? Blockchain is information about transactions. When a person sends cryptos to another person, the record is added to a block. Every transaction creates various blocks that form a chain of blocks, and it is hence called a blockchain. The record of it is known as a ledger. It is shared with every person who's in the transaction. As a record with everyone, there are fewer chances of fraud. But still, how the system could be called a secure system? To make it secure, the system uses cryptography. Now, cryptography is a chunk of information that can make it more secure. When you create an account for crypto known as a wallet, you receive two keys known as the public key and the private key. The public key is known to others, but only you can use the private key. So when you do a transaction, only you know who have the private key can mark it as one, and others can verify it with the help of a public key. There may also be one question that will pop up in your mind. How does the system verify if you have enough cryptos in your wallets? For hard currencies, this is done by banks. When you send money to another person, the bank verifies if you have enough bank balance in your account. If yes, then the transaction will be successful or it will fail. Very simple. We all know this. But in the case of cryptocurrencies, the Bitcoin networks and your wallet check if you have enough cryptos to send. If yes, the transaction is done. If no, then it will fail. But to check the transaction data, it should be in the blockchain first. But who actually adds this data to the blockchain? It is done by a few people known as miners. These miners have to solve math problems created by the hash function. The hash function is the one that takes the input of each size and then turns the output into a fixed size. For example, if the input is 8563, the function can add all of them and provide the output as 22. Now, it's very difficult to identify that the 22 is the result of 8 plus 5 plus 6 was 3. Hence, the miner has to invest in high-tech computer to find the result. To find the correct result, a system has to check millions of possibilities, which also consumes a huge amount of electricity. But why will someone invest in an expensive high-tech system and pay heavy electricity bills? Do they get anything in return? The answer is yes. When a miner solves this problem, they get a few cryptocurrencies in return. And this is how the whole cryptocurrency system works. Though there is not only one cryptocurrency that you can use, there are many. But the most popular of them is Bitcoin, which is known as the first cryptocurrency. Another popular crypto after Bitcoin is Ethereum. It is very well known for buying NFTs. By the way, if you want to know what an NFT is, you can check out our other video by clicking on the I button in the right corner. Besides this, there is another crypto too, like Binance Coin, Tether, XPR, Dogecoin, etc. And this was our video. If you loved it, please like, share, and subscribe. You can also visit our website to know more. Thank you for watching.